Welcome to your human scale keyboard system. This product is specifically designed to reduce injuries associated with typing and mousing. This video will provide you with the information you need to use your keyboard system in the most comfortable and beneficial position possible. It's important to note that the safest position for typing is also the one that's most comfortable for sitting. So lean back in your chair and adjust the tray to conform to a relaxed, healthy, neutral posture. To get started, slide the keyboard tray out from under your desk. To lower the keyboard, place one hand on the back of the tray and push down while gently lifting the center of the tray up. To raise the keyboard, place your hands on either side of the tray and simply lift the front edge of the platform. The tray automatically locks in place when released. Position the keyboard an inch or two above your lap, or just below seated elbow height. Your shoulders should be in a natural, relaxed position while typing. This keeps the blood flow to your wrists open, reducing the risk of repetitive stress injuries, including carpal tunnel syndrome. Use the tray tilt knob to angle the keyboard so it slopes slightly away from your body. Turning the knob away from you raises the front of the keyboard. Turning the knob towards you decreases the slope. The angle is just right when the heels of your palm lay straight on the tray's built-in palm support. Note the angle where your wrists are most comfortable, which is displayed on the tilt degree dial. The keyboard system comes with a mousing tray that not only swings in and out to your preferred position, but can also be adjusted up or down. The tray attaches to either side to accommodate right as well as left-handed users. To minimize reaching, the mouse tray should be positioned as close to your body as possible. Placing it above the numeric keypad is a good option unless you use the keypad often. When you're finished keying, simply slide the keyboard system underneath your desk for easy access to your desktop. A human-scale keyboard system not only frees vital desktop space, but minimizes stress to your back and wrists by letting you sit in the most healthy, neutral, and comfortable posture possible.